How to fix Meet Your Maker won't launch. 1. Update your Windows. 2. Ensure your PC meets at least the minimum system requirements for Meet Your Maker. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 3. Uninstall the reported Oculus app. Plan B, disable the app before playing the Meet Your Maker game. Plan C, close all other apps and / or clean boot your Windows. 4. Disable proxies and VPN. 5. Use a wired internet connection. 6. Other tips. Update your GPU driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Verify game files in Steam. Allow the game through the firewall. Update the DirectX. Run as an administrator. Uninstall then reinstall the game.